Hello guys, today we will see how you can create the customer and assign the permission for any folder and file for that customer. Let's start. Come to the settings. Here is the customer. Create the new customer from here. Give the name. Enter the email. Number and create the folder for this customer if you want to right now. Suppose I don't want to create right now. And here are the 10 fields where you can put the other information of the customers like company address, home address, or whatever you want. And just click on create. Now you can see the customer is created. Now we will check how to assign the permission for any folder and file to this customer. Come to the folder section. First we will check how you can assign the permission for the files. Here you can see the permission icon. Click on that, add permission. Then choose the user. From here you can choose the customer. Select the customer. Once you select the customer, there are two permissions, read and write. In read permission, customer is only able to view the document. He is not able to change the document. In write permission, customer is able to change the document or edit document, or also he can able to delete the documents. Then save. The permission is updated. This is the file level permission. Now we will check how to give the permission for the folder. Click on the three icons, three dots, add permissions, choose the user. Suppose I want to give the permission to test123. Here are the three permissions. One additional permission is the allow subfolder. Once you allow the subfolder, customer is able to look the subfolder from the main folders. That's it. And save. The permission is saved.